All right, breaking news coming in after Finance Minister. Prime Minister Narendra Modi praises steps being announced by RBI. Prime Minister says today RBI has taken giant steps to safeguard our economy from the impact of coronavirus. The announcements will improve liquidity, reduce cost of funds, help middle class and businesses. The Prime Minister has tweeted this and has praised the RBI for their efforts. Going across to National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastava for more on this. Rahul, yesterday a big announcement were made specifically for the laborers, for the daily wage laborers and the migrant laborers. Now middle class also in the radar of the government with the announcement being made by the RBI. Prime Minister appreciating these efforts.
Yes, Ankit, this was in the works for some time. For the last 5 to 6 days, the government and the RBI were working in close coordination. And in fact, if you recall yesterday when we were discussing about Nirmala Sitharaman's press conference, what's likely, one of the elements we had discussed was the relief as far as the EMIs go. And that is why one of the major elements is that right now the so stressed is the situation for several people that one of the elements is that what happens to the term loans and the interest rates and other elements. The government and the RBI have a twin task, Ankit. It has to first ensure that there is reduction in the hardship and the pressure on people, and the other, it has to prepare for a long haul. Because if you look at the reports which are coming in from various rating agencies, the economy is likely to take a nosedive. And in that scenario, it is very important that the government and the RBI create the ground for a sustainable future as far as investments and businesses are concerned. And that is why the repo rate cut and several other elements are definitely going to at least create a template that businesses and households can look forward for a future. Because once your EMIs are pressured off, definitely the kind of spending one indulges in does not taper down, and it keeps a steady path. And that perhaps is very critical for the economy with shops and establishments closed.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Rahul, for joining us with all those details. Meanwhile,